Hello traders, in this video I will show you why we should use high accuracy trading terminal for scalping and how it's easy to earn on it. But before we start, I recommend subscribing for our free setups channel with a good statistics. The link you will find in the description. Let's start from the most important part. Why we use Cscalp trading terminal. First of all, that's how it looks like. Here we can add some order books. This is how we start our trading. Spot on the left and futures on the right. First of all, there is a high accuracy trading platform with all the necessary tools and features. It's convenient and optimized even for weak computers. And most important thing that you can set up all your working spaces as you wish as a constructor. Second, speed of information receiving. Never use web terminal of your exchange to trade scalping strategies like level breakouts. The execution of your orders through the web terminal depends on many factors and it's much slower than using trading terminal. Cscalp allows you opening trades at better prices, while trading high volatility instrument through the web terminal could bring you great losses. For example, you are trying to catch the breakout from the horizontal level, the price comes up and breaks this level. Your entry point should be here, but using web terminal, your entry point in fact would be somewhere here, and you lose this potential. And this is not the worst outcome. Sometimes you could lose all the potential and your entry point will be in the place where you should fix your profit. That's why we use Cscalp trading terminal as the fastest way to open the trade on highly volatile instrument. This is the example of extremely sharp breakout where the execution of your limit orders should be extremely fast to optimize your profit. The next argument. Clear and interactive depth of market that you can adjust to the current activity. It allows you to correctly evaluate whether buyers or sellers are prevailing. Moreover, there is a convenient leverage system. You can regulate your working volume right here, setting up the leverage. For example, you have $100 and you want to set up 10x leverage. It will be $1,000. We enter here 1,000, input in dollars, and we have automatic calculation into the amount of lots. 708 lots will be our $1,000 position. 100 in dollars, 70.8 will be our first X leverage. It's extremely convenient. Moreover, it's quite easy to place your limit orders through the depth of market, whether it buy or sell or entering right by the market, like that. It's easily to track the progress of your profit and replacing the stop loss. If you really want to succeed in scalping, I advise you to start using the Cscalp terminal. It's free, highly accurate, and includes all the tools to easily make money on cryptocurrency futures. You only need the three most important areas: the clusters that reflect the history of market orders with the maximum volumes pinpointed with a white frame in each column, the market tape that reflects the current orders that are being executed right by the market right now, and the order book itself, or depth of market, where you can see the limit orders of participants and the price movement. That's all you need for scalping. The link to download the Cscalp for free you will find under this video. Please subscribe for our channel and write in the comments below the ideas for the new videos. See you soon.